I love to daydream about sunflowers. One day I went for a walk. The clouds were grey and the raindrops were falling, soft and slow. And I saw it, a sunflower, standing all by itself, golden and bright, like it was glowing from the inside. I imagined the sunflower was talking to me, not with words, but with a feeling. I'm still here, even in the rain, even when the sky is grey. Have you ever felt happy on a rainy day? What do you do when it rains? I stood with the sunflower for a little while. We didn't talk. We just listened. To the rain. To the moment. And I started to feel warm inside. Even though everything around me was cold and wet, the sunflower made me feel like the day was still full of light. Can you think of other things that make you feel warm and happy? I love to daydream about sunflowers in the rain because it reminds me, even when the sky is grey, we can still shine, just being exactly who we are, like the sunflower.